Hello and welcome to NextMove Technologies. My name is Adam, and today I'll be showing you how to customize the settings of a NextMove Technologies link-align antenna positioner. This video builds on the previous videos in the series, so if you haven't been following along, make sure to watch the first video in our series to see how to set up a NextMove positioner. In the NextMove Positioner GUI, users have the ability to customize the system-wide settings of the connected positioner in the Settings menu, located in the upper right of the GUI. Click the gears icon and a menu will appear with the settings for the current connected positioner. At the top, you will see 5 tabs, each specifying a different aspect of the system. The menu defaults to the System tab, in which the user can specify the name, movement limits, and auxiliary axis behavior of the positioner. Positioner serial number, model name, and software version are also visible on the right of the menu. To name the positioner, enter a string of text in the Unit Name field, and the text will appear in the head of the main GUI page. In the Limits field, users can specify the rotation limits of the positioner, up to the positioner's maximum pedestal rotation. The text field will flash red if a value is entered that is out of range. Otherwise, the field will flash green and the positioner's maximum rotation will be re-limited. To specify what is attached to the auxiliary axis, select the appropriate option from the auxiliary axis type. For more information on auxiliary axis attachments, please reach out to us and we can provide additional information. Under the Network tab, users can specify a local IP address, a subnet mask, and a gateway address for the positioner. This is the IP address of the GUI in a web browser, and if this address is lost or forgotten, the positioner will potentially need to be reformatted completely. Under the Serial tab, users can specify the configuration information of a built-in hardware RS-232 serial port, which can be used as an alternative access method to the Ethernet-based interface. If you want more information on this port, please reach out to us and we can walk you through the access protocol. Under the Status tab, users can update the positioner with the local software update file. Improvements are often made to the NextMove Positioner software, potentially including new features, and as such an update may be useful. Please reach out directly to us and we can assist you to check if new versions of the software are available. Under the Users tab, users can customize the login credentials to the positioner, as well as adding and removing users. To add a user, click Add User, and specify a username and password for the new user. To edit a user, click Edit to the right of the user's username and change either the username or password. To delete a user, click Delete beside the username. As a note, there must always be at least one user specified in this panel. To apply the changes made in the menu, click Save and Close. Some changes may require a reboot, which can be initiated either by cycling power to the positioner or by going into the settings and clicking the Reboot button in the bottom left of the Settings menu. This video is part of a comprehensive video series detailing how to operate an NextMove positioner. To learn more, check out the next video in the series or visit our website at www.nextmovetech.com. Happy positioning!